everyone, no, may share lang kami, no, sa amin, sa shift. Si Ate Rosmar, matagal na namin siyang kaibigan. When we are starting the company, May 2021, we started shift. So we don't know anything about influencers, we don't know anything about promotion. Budget-wise, hindi rin naman kami nag-budget kasi hindi naman tayo pwede magpa-paid endorsement. So ngayon, nung